We are going to learn basic concepts of volumetric analysis. Let us start. Chemical analysis is divided into two branches: quantitative analysis and qualitative analysis. Volumetric analysis is also known as titrometric analysis. Titrometric analysis involves measurement of volume required to react completely with the analyte. Titrometric analysis gives you the calculation to determine amount of the constituent present in the solution of unknown strength. That means that volumetric analysis deals with measurement of the exact volume of known concentration solution required to react completely with solution of unknown concentration. Before going to detailed concepts and classification of volumetric analysis, we have to clear some basic concepts required to study volumetric analysis. There are the methods of expressing concentration of the solutions. Solution means homogeneous mixture of two or more constituents. So there are several methods to express the concentration of solution. Molarity. 1 mole solution, we have heard this word several times. So let us understand what is 1 mole of the solution. Whenever 1 molecular weight is dissolved in 1 liter of the solvent, we can say it is a 1 mole of solvent, and that gives you the molarity of solvent. Normality. Normality is also used to express the concentration of the solution. Whenever 1 equivalent weight of solute is dissolved in 1 liter of the solvent, we can say this is a 1 normal solution. Primary standard solution means the solution having exact known concentration and without variation in the concentration during the long time lag. Secondary standard solution will need to determine exact concentration of the solution by titrating it with primary. Now let us study classification of volumetric analysis. Volumetric analysis is classified according to the reactions taken during the mixture of titer and titrants. Let us know what is titer and what is titrant. Titrant is also known as titer. The solution is delivered from the burette is known as titration. Titrant means solution to be titrated with a titer. Titer is also called as titrant. Let us know classification of volumetric analysis. Classification of volumetric analysis, it is according to the reaction occur during the mixing of the two solutions. The first type of the volumetric analysis is neutralization volumetric analysis. It is also called as neutralization titrometry. Within this one, neutralization reaction takes place. Redox type of titration, oxidation and reduction reaction occurs within the solution. Precipitation reaction occurs between two solutions. Complexometric titration. Complex formation occur during the reaction. It is classified as a complexometric titrometry. Let us know what are the apparatus required to volumetric analysis. Volumetric analysis require very simple apparatus, calibrated burette, and which can deliver 0.05 ml of volume. And pipette are instrument glass apparatus which can use to deliver a appropriate volume. Volumetric analysis is also carried out with the help of instrumentation like conductometry and potentiometry. I hope you have understand major concepts of volumetric analysis, and that's it for now. We will meet in next lecture.